Say your name, age at the camera.
Wanted.
I'm Mars Asia.
I'm Katrine
I'm
Salinas.
Abigail
Aurelio
Azares.
Magandong.
Roquelita de la Cruz, a.k.a. Rocky.
Criteria number 1. With pleasing personality. Number 2. With excellent communication skills.
Bakit ka namin kukunin para sa role na to?
Kaya ko pong magtula. Friends, romance, countrymen, lend me your ears.
Good!
Number 3.
Yun, magaling yun, magaling yun.
Can sing, act, and dance.
My talent is sexy dancing.
To the front. To the front.
Next!
I can also do interpretative dance.
Number 4.
Ang dami na nag-audition, wala ka pa nagustuhan dun, pare.
Able to portray a very challenging and demanding role.
Ano po bang role ko?
Ang kailangan mo ay makakuha ng babae na mapapangasawa mo yung magpapanggap para makuha mo na yung mana mo.
Asawa ko.
Kung pasok ka sa criteria, ikaw na ang hinahanap niya. Bride for Rent.